Hi Mohit, welcome to eTimes TV.
Hi,
I can
thank you.
see you are in your character.
Yeah, I'm in my character.
So tell us, what do you feel about this new look? Like totally different. How does it feel to
Uh,
play this
uh,
part?
to start with, it's like difficult to handle so much of jewelry and all that. I'm just like somebody made me this wear this outfit and a whole jewelry, everything. Um, I'm kind of excited, for this character. It's very different. The whole look is different, and so I'm really excited actually for this show and for this character. It's gonna be a different for me because I've never played something like this before.
What's the way of your attire right now? How much way are you wearing?
Way it's definitely not very light, and starting में आपको थोड़ा time लगता है adjust होने में, where everything is, you know. It's just like I think it's a matter of days, a few days, and then I'll be okay with this.
And what was Sanaya's
Yeah.
reaction seeing you in this getup?
She hasn't seen this getup. Yeah. Still, she hasn't seen this getup. So today is the first day actually I've worn this outfit.
And what was the reaction when you broke the news to her that you are going to be a part of Nagin 5?
She was actually very excited when she, got to know that, I was offered for the show and for this character. She was very, very excited. And I was also very, very excited because, Nagin is such a big franchise. And to begin with, and then it's Balaji and then it's Color. So everything is coming together. And, who will refuse this? Nobody. So I was definitely very, very excited, and I was just waiting that I get this, role. I get to play this role. So I'm very, very grateful and glad that I've got this show.
And ever since the first episode, you guys have been trending. Like you and your and Surbhi's character Jay and Bani were like trending on Twitter. Like, how does that feel to engage the audience on the first day itself?
Well, I'm very, very happy. I've not checked actually on Twitter what is happening, and I've not seen, the trending part of it. But I'm very, very glad that, we have started trending already, from the first day or the second day. So I will just say thanks to everyone, whoever is watching this show and loving, whatever we are doing, the work we are doing. So I'm very, very happy that, it's already trending right now.
What were the initial responses that you got from people around you, people and friends around you?
Not a lot of friends of mine have started. They just, I think, saw the first episode and everyone really liked it, so they were really happy to see the first episode. And they congratulated me, obviously. And everyone loves, Nagin is a big show. So, everyone is very, very happy that I'm part of it.
Also, Mohit, I have to ask you, you are coming back on screen after a long period. You have done reality shows in between, but as a lead character, apart from the pandemic, what had kept you away for so long?
I think I was just waiting for something good to come in my way, and in between I was doing one film also, which is I think still in post. And then I think I was just waiting for a good opportunity to come and a good show to come, and then Nagin happened. So nothing can be better than Nagin on TV. Yeah. So I think I was waiting for Nagin to happen.
Nagin has all the Tandav dances of the actors and the actresses who have portrayed in the past. Are you ready if such a scene is required?
Of course, definitely, I'll give my 200%, whatever is required to do, whatever is part of this character, I'll give my 200%. तांडव हो या फिर कुछ भी हो, it's part of this character, and I will do it my best.
And how did the character happen to you? Like, how did you land up with Nagin 5?
It just happened suddenly. I think in 2 days, I didn't get a chance to think also about it. It just happened in exactly, 2 days, and I was on set. So 2-3 दिन में सब कुछ final हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, and then I was here.
Like, before signing Nagin 5, like, apart from being a part of a fantasy thriller,
Right.
and like, were there any inhibitions about working during this pandemic?
Yeah, definitely. We all were scared that, whenever something starts, how will we take precaution, and what all we will have to go through, and how will we, cope up with this, whole thing that keeps sanitizing your hand and how many times will we do that, and, the distraction when you're on set and, always sanitizing your hands, usually we never used to do that earlier. And we used to concentrate only on a scene there, on a script. Now 50% of our mind is only there, who's touching us, or are we sanitizing or no, where are we touching, so all that is always at the back of your mind. It's always there, so that was always there. And also we were thinking that whenever we come after completing shoot, when we come back home, how will we do it? Like, maybe our family gets it too. So what will happen then? Always all that was definitely there at the back of our mind. So
Also-
the precautions, we are taking those precautions. Whatever measures we can do, we are taking those precautions.
I mean, I have been following the show as well, and you guys are doing great. What was Sanaya's first response or has she watched the episode?
Yeah, she's watching all the episodes. She is. I don't know before she has watched it or no the previous season, but I think we have watched few episodes from previous season. But this season she is watching all the episodes. Yeah.
Did you watch any of previous Nagin episodes?
Few, not the whole season, but few episodes. Yes, I did.
And like, we get to see like you and Sharath, like both popular name in the TV industry, both in one show, and there's this fight between like good versus evil. What's the vibe on the set? Yeah.
It's pretty normal. Like, it's pretty normal. There's no it can't be same. Like, obviously, these are our characters. The vibe is very, very normal. We all are good people and very friendly and very sweet. Sharath is a amazing guy, actually. And Surbhi is also very, very sweet. So we all are chilled out and normal people. The vibe is pretty much normal.
And so far, like, because of this pandemic also, like following precautions and all, is the bonding same as before, or is there any difference?
So yes, there is a difference that I would definitely say that, earlier when we used to shoot in break time, we used to call everyone in one room and say, chalo, it's lunchtime, let's have lunch together. So that has reduced because, now people want to maintain social distancing and all that. They want to maintain distance and they want to eat in their separate rooms, and, jaise hi cut hua, they want to be in their own places and corners, so that distance maintain ho sake. So that everyone is maintaining, yeah. So that has changed a little, but otherwise everything is pretty much same.
I have to ask you this, like being a part of fantasy thriller and being part of Ekta's Nagin franchisee, how does that feel?
It feels actually big. It feels huge that, I'm part of a huge show and, big franchise. So obviously it feels great, that you are part of something big. you know. So it feels amazing.
I mean, वो responsibility feel होती है that कंधे पे
Definitely you have big responsibility on your shoulder because अभी तक के जितने भी seasons हुए हैं, every season has been very very successful and huge. So एक responsibility definitely आपके shoulder पर है, where you are doing lead in the show. So responsibility अपने आप automatically you have the responsibility on your shoulder.
Also with shows like Nagin or even like daily soaps, we have seen that people tend to troll, create memes, like share several things on social media. Are you also prepared for those things on social media?
To me, all this doesn't matter at all. Like, I don't care about these things at all. I don't even see these things. Who's saying what are they saying about my character? What are they saying about the other character? I want to do my work, I want to give my 200% and then let the world decide. Let people decide if they are enjoying it or not.
Okay, thank you, Mohit. Thank you for giving us your time. I wish you all the best and great luck for Nagin 5. Wish you great success.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.